Okay, children, good morning. Welcome back to our science class. Okay? Yes, yesterday what we discussed in the topic? We discussed insects and their movements. Isn't it? Yes. Today we are going to discuss about some special creature. Okay? I am telling the clues. Okay? You have a small little today. I am telling the clues and you have to guess the creature name and tell me. Okay? It is a long and creeps on the ground. Okay, it is seen during the rain. The creature is seen during the rains. Okay, and it is very useful for us. Can you guess the name? Yes, that is earthworm. You know, children, earthworm. How the earthworm's body looks like. Okay, once you observe the picture and tell me. Once you observe the picture, children. Yes, did you observe? Okay, tell me how its body looks like. Yes, its body is a thin pipe-shaped body, isn't it? Thin pipe-shaped body. And if you observe the picture, it has a rings on its body. Rings on its body. Okay, children. When it rains a lot outside, the earthworms comes out of the soil, isn't it? Did you observe any time? Yes. If you observe that when it rains a lot outside, the earthworms will come out of the soil. Okay? Okay, children, that is a feature of the earthworms. Okay, it has a thin pipe-shaped body and it has a rings on its body. Okay, children, then what is the earthworms can eat? Yes, earthworms can eat insects and plants and leaves that present in the soil. Okay, children, once again listen. Earthworms can eat insects, plants and leaves that present in the soil only, because earthworm is living in the soil only, isn't it, children? Earthworm is living in the soil and it has a thin pipe-shaped body and it has a small rings on its body. Okay, children. Now tell me, is an earthworm is insect? No, earthworm is not insect, because the earthworm's body is not divided into like head, thorax and abdomen. And if you observe the picture carefully, they do not contain legs and wings also. Yes, earthworm do not contain legs and wings also. So earthworm could not be considered as a insect. That is a creature. That is a pipe-like structure body creature only. Okay, children. Now tell me, why earthworms come out when it rains a lot? Why earthworms come out when it rains a lot? Tell me. Because when it rains, earthworms come out to breathe. Because earthworms are living in the soil only. Already we know that, because earthworms are living in the soil only, isn't it? Yes. When it rains, the soil is filled with the water. Yes, children, the soil is filled with water. So if the earthworms want to breathe too, they come out from the soil to breathe in. Okay, that's why earthworms come out of the soil. Okay, children. Earthworms are called form of friends. Earthworms are called form of friends. Okay, tell me why. Because earthworms come out when it rains, isn't it? Already we know that earthworms come out when it rains. When it comes out of the soil, they dig the holes in the soil. Yes, they dig the holes in the soil, through which the holes only the water and the air goes into the soil and it reaches the roots. Yes, when it comes out of the soil, the bottom soil comes up and the top soil goes down. Okay, this is the mixes in help in the soil. This is help the mixes in the soil. Okay, these mixes of the soil in the help is very useful to plants to get all nutrients equally. Okay, this is mixes of the soil is very helpful to plants to get all the nutrients equally. That's why earthworms are called farmer friends. Okay, children, that's why earthworms are called farmer friends. Okay, children, once you can observe the content book. Read this, Nana. Earthworms look like a thin tubes. Their body is made of many little parts. Unlike insects, their body is not divided into 3 parts. Earthworms creep on the ground. Just now only we discussed earthworms creep on the ground. They use the muscles on their body to creep on the ground. They usually live inside the soil. Yes, earthworms lives inside the soil only. They come out of the soil when it rains because it becomes difficult for them to breathe inside the soil. Yes, that's why earthworms come out of the soil when it rains. Okay? Earthworms eat insects, leaves and plants. Yes, present in the soil. They are useful because they mix up the soil while moving through in and make holes in it too. This is important because these holes allow air and water to reach the roots of plants. Okay, children. You know, children, earthworms can replace their lost body parts. Okay, earthworms can replace their lost body parts. Okay, children, you don't have a workbook part today. You have a small project work. Okay, paste the pictures of the 5 different insects. Describe the body parts and their movements also. Okay, children, that is the project for today. Paste the pictures of the 5 different insects. Describe body parts and their movements. Okay, children, thank you.